In this video, we introduce a rqt-dashboard for multi-drone flight named as pixhawk 2. We cater up to 3 drones based on pixhawk and mavros. In this demo, drones have rear sense camera for odometry, and my laptop connects drone's computer via SSH. Launch client on your laptop and servers on the drone's computer. First, arming and takeoff. Switch to offboard mode and reset initial set point and press on. Takeoff button will create a smooth ascending trajectory. Now let us upload the mission trajectory to the drone's computer. This will first give you a smooth transient trajectory toward the initial point of the mission trajectory. Now the drones start to follow the mission trajectory. You can always pause the flight by lock button, or you can resume the mission. Landing button will create a smooth descending trajectory.